Hey guys, today we finally get to take down the interior walls. We started out by adding temporary support walls running perpendicular with the joist in the attic. I brought out a framing crew today because this was definitely a job for more than one person. Once the temporary walls were in place, we started removing the load-bearing studs. Next, we cut to size a 1/4 inch thick metal beam that will span across the ceiling header. Later on, I will design and build a custom fireplace around the center beam. The metal beam will be wrapped with a faux wood beam finish. Here we are adding the second metal beam into place. And here's the final result. I love how open and how much natural light flow throughout the house now. Stay tuned, tomorrow we are going to add 2 door frames and 2 windows with an absolutely amazing view.